The requirements in Table 1 and 2 are general filing requirements that apply to most taxpayers. However, there are additional situations where you may be required to file a tax return even if you don't have a high gross income. They are listed in Table 3. The first one, if you earn $400 or more in net income from self-employment, such as side job or gig work, you generally must file a tax return. This is true for everyone, including dependent taxpayers. Net earnings are calculated by subtracting your ordinary and necessary business expenses from the total income you earned from your self-employment activities. For example, if you made $1,000 from a gig job and had $300 in expenses, your net income would be $700 and would trigger a filing requirement. On the other hand, if you had $1,000 in W-2 wages, you would not be required to file. The reason for this is that no Social Security or Medicare taxes are withheld from self-employment income, so the taxpayer must file taxes to pay them. Another reason you may be required to file is if you owe any special taxes. These are typically reported on Schedule 2 of Form 1040 and can include taxes on IRAs or health savings account, taxes on household employees, alternative minimum tax, Social Security or Medicare taxes on unreported tips, or recaptured taxes. Another reason you may be required to file is if you or your spouse have any distributions from an Archer MSA or Health Savings Account HSA. You must file and report how the funds were used, ensuring they were spent on qualified expenses to avoid taxes. Another lesser-known reason to file your taxes is if you received advance payments of the premium tax credit on Form 1095-A. What does this mean? This means the federal government helped cover your medical insurance premiums throughout the year with subsidies. These subsidies were based on your estimated income, so when you file your taxes, you will need to reconcile whether you received the correct amount, too much, or too little. Finally, if you earned more than $108.28 from a church or church organization, you're also required to file. So specific. Thanks so much for watching and good luck.